What's going on, everybody? We are back with another one, man. As you can see, we got THOR right behind us. And as you can see, we are camping, baby. That was a good burp. Anyways, yeah. It's our first camping trip with THOR. And it's a nice one, man. It's definitely a nice one. Came out here to KOA to do a little camping. So let me show you guys the tents. We set up both tents. We're maximalist camping right now. So you can see the one behind me here. It's the OG right here. The OG 10. Got some major work to do to this thing when I get home. Major work. We had this set up last time, probably like 2 weeks ago, and I didn't take it down. It was supposed to like storm the entire week, and it actually did. It stormed the entire week. And what the heck is that? And that's like a little caterpillar. Little catty. Oh shit. He did not want to come off. But anyways, yeah. So it ended up getting, rained on, and then I tried to pack it up while it was still kind of wet, and it ended up like, I don't know, it ended up getting a lot of mildew, so I got to fix that. And then all of a sudden there's like these black little ant bug things that are everywhere. Can't stand it. But this is the Mushi. Y'all can get this one off the website right now. 12 by 16. I mean, damn, these fucking bugs, bro. Yeah, these little ant things are like everywhere, dude. They're everywhere. It's fucking annoying. Anyways, let's go take a look inside. Oh, we got the fire going already. Look at that. Look at that. I lit that to try to get the mosquitoes away. I got ate up last night. Everybody got ate up. So I got the Centrella candle there. Hopefully I don't get destroyed by mosquitoes today. That would be great. There we go. So this is the setup that we have right now. We got the fan going, obviously, couch. Got the lights going, and we got the TV going right now. We got YouTube playing right now. We're waiting for the Spurs to come play. Game 7, baby. By the time you see this video, hopefully they won, and they're playing the Knicks already, but you never know. So, and I'm getting in here. I wanted to show you guys. I don't have the lights in here on. I need to pick up the windows. It could be brighter in here, but this is basically what we have right now in the other tent, 12 by 16. Got the queen bed over there, and we got the AC unit over there. So yeah, try to bang off the bugs. Look at that. It was so bad. I was killing freaking mosquitoes last night, and after they're biting me, so there's like blood spots everywhere. So it has to be cleaned out really good when we get back. I'm just hoping that it doesn't rain before we pack everything up and get out of here tomorrow. So yeah. Other than that, man, we're just chilling. Kingston, my son's out right now. We rented some carts, some pedal carts, and he wanted to go ride them out, so we went swimming. Then he wanted to rent one, so he's out there rolling around. He found some friends. A lot of people are here from out of town, and so it's popping right here at KOA right now. But yeah, man, I just kind of wanted to give you guys a little taste of what we're going into this weekend here with THOR and camping, man. We're out here glamping, baby. So yeah, man, we stayed up pretty late last night, had a lot of fun. Tonight, hopefully it's the same. It's a good tomato. But yeah, pretty much. It might be just me and Kingston tonight. My wife and my daughters came last night, but they also have a soccer game at 7, and so they're not going to be able to come right away. So they might not come back out tonight. They got another game tomorrow, so they might be too tired. I might not want to sleep in the tent. So, you know, it is what it is. But my son loves camping with us too. The dog loves camping. The dog's not here right now. He's still at the house until later on. And then, yeah, we're just gonna chill out, watch the game here pretty soon. 6:54. It's about to start in 6 minutes. Go Spurs, go!